right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the afternoon. And again, I'm with the Long Island Living History Association, as well as my fellow soldiers here. And we would like to give you a demonstration of various weapon systems that these soldiers would have been using in Normandy in World War II. We're going to start with the mortar. And while my friends set up here, let me tell you a little bit about a mortar. So a mortar is what's known as an indirect weapon. So they would be far, not too far, but in an area where they're going to be lobbing shells on enemy positions. So the mortar section, as it would be known, and companies would have sometimes 3 sections of mortars with them. They would set up the mortar. There would be a section. I have to use my cheat sheet. Forgive me. We're going to have a section leader, a gunner, and assistant gunner. Now, obviously these guys are looking at what they're doing, not what's around them, so they need security. So they would either be 1, 2, maybe 3 different riflemen giving them security, making sure the enemy was not sneaking up on them while they're trying to get their bearings. So you're going to hear a number of commands being given by the section leader. They have to drop around, they have to find out what the range is and whether or not they need to make any changes. So the gunner is really the #1 man in the squad, and he carries the mortar, the bipod, the aiming sticks, and he's responsible for the safe operation. The assistant gunner is the #2 man in the squad. He's responsible for preparing the rounds for firing and loading them into the tube. Also responsible for clearing cartridges from misfired rounds, which sometimes occurs. The 3 and 4 men each carry 12 rounds of ammo as well. And when they give me the high sign, you're going to hear them issue their commands and start letting loose on the enemy position. All right, ladies and gentlemen, get ready. It could go boom.
Gun 1 action. Search 850-725. Charge 73 1/4. 3 rounds. AG.
850-725. Elevation 73 1/4. Charge 2. 3 rounds. AG.
Fire.
Guns ready. Rounds complete.
Rounds complete. Down 10, left 30. Fire. When you're ready.
Down 10, left 30. Ready to fire.
Fire.
Rounds complete.
Rounds complete. All right, we got him. 20 casualties.
Thank you, Mortar Section of the Long Island Living History Association.